I'm so cold. My fingers are freezing. Had to shovel all the walkways out front, clean off my wife's car, and then come out here, brush this off. So that took a while, and it's still fairly early in the morning. We got a lot of snowfall last night. As you can see, the Volvo 240 is covered as well. Can't wait to drive it some more. And I've got the Volvo 850 here, cleaned off for the most part. There's lots of snow falling, and there's also just lots of snow being blown around through the trees and everything. Snow in this alley is super deep, but once you get moving, the Volvo's doing great. Front wheel drive, studded winter tires, just plowing through this snow. I can definitely tell that there's gonna be a lot of people stuck on these side roads today with this amount of snow. When you first get moving, you feel your wheels dig into that snow. Anyone without adequate tires or maybe a light rear-wheel drive vehicle is gonna have some trouble getting around today. This Volvo is so much fun to drive around in these types of conditions. I love putting vehicles to the test when this kind of weather does come around. And I don't think this car is getting stuck in this snow anytime soon. You know me, I decided to drive out, check out the back roads, see what condition they're in with all the snow we've been having and very minimal tire traffic. I'll just say that windy back road there was a very good test for this car. It was some very deep powder with only a couple tire tracks in it. Pretty much the whole way I was plowing through powder, but enjoying the beautiful view and how much fun this car is to drive. It's always super satisfying and cool to see a car doing a bit above and beyond what it typically be used for on a regular basis. Snow got really deep right here, put us into a bit of some drifting action. Imagine the fun we could be having if we were in my Volvo 240 wagon. It's a rear-wheel drive, 5-speed manual, and it's a wagon. So this is one of the main gravel roads. So the snow's packed down for more traffic, but I figured we'd hop out, take a look at the Volvo 850 and freeze a little bit. Snowflakes in my eyes. It's so cold out here. The wind is piercing. You get cold really fast out there. As you can see, I parked us in the deepest section of the road, but no problem. Snow's definitely a bit heavier on this road. You can see how it's drifting in the ditch a bit. I'm curious to see how this snow keeps up throughout the day. The plows will have probably got to working more by the evening, but there's a good chance many of these side roads could be in an even worse state. Can't tell if you can see on the road here how the snow's kind of drifting with the wind into these little waves. The snow's still soft, so it's a nice little floaty ride. So it's still pretty early in the morning right now, but I'll catch you guys later today most likely. Well, now it is the evening and I'm back on similar roads. It snowed for most of the day and the powder has turned into this hard packed snowy. So on a road that gets more traffic like this, it's pretty packed down, super rutty. So it's easier to get pulled off into the ditch or into some deep ruts. But it's a nice evening and the Volvo 850 is doing great out here, great on the roads, and gonna get me home just fine. It's actually quite satisfying how this car pulls through those deep and thick sections of snow. Front wheel drive definitely helps, and so does the winter tires. And it's also just great to have some snow on the ground as we're nearing December here. Thank you for joining me today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of it down below, and subscribe to stick around for more. Safe driving, everybody.